Oh my god, please. Hey, brother. I feel like poison. There's a music video for Poison. You're back. I'm back. Hi, sister. Do you want to join my live? I don't know how I'm gonna do this because my phone literally needs to charge. Oh no. Just asking. Okay guys, this is gonna be the angle for the live, unfortunately. I've never seen these visuals, sorry. Whoa, this is fucking gorgeous. What? This is so cool. Can you guys see the visuals? Chumi, I'll tell you in private. I can't. I feel like poison. I don't want people to know where I'm at, Chumi. Where's my hairbrush? I'm no good. But I'm doing something for Tebu's birthday. I'm with my sisters. It's for Tebu's birthday. It's her birthday today. Yeah, go look at my location, girl. I feel like poison. Hey, let me heat up my Kela now because you can see there's already problems. I feel like poison, yeah. They don't know nothing about it. 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 Not us fooling, sorry guys. They don't know nothing about it. They don't know nothing about it. She wants to go to Total Ninja. I have a shoot, so I'm going to my shoot and then yeah, she's gonna go do some spa treatments, get her nails done, and then yeah, that's the plan. Yo, Litty 7 rand to the dollar, guys. I saw that. How old for you, or how old am I? I'm 21. Nah, that's real. Yeah, real, dude. Like, so real. If she wants to go for dinner, we can do that. Whatever she wants. One of her friends was supposed to come, so I don't know if they're gonna come today. Let's do poison. These curls are disappointing me big time. Let's do poison. I'm gonna have to comb my hair. That's low-key kind of annoying, but it's okay. Why are you steaming? Huh? "21, you look old." That's your opinion, you're entitled to it. I actually don't take offense to that because I'm often being told that I don't look my age. So if you're telling me I look older than 21, thank God. But don't age me. Why are you guys so shocked I'm 21?
One day, let's remove everything in one easy step with Garnier Micellar Water.
It's because I'm in the dark, you think I'm wrinkled or like...
Lifting dirt, oil, and makeup without
y'all tell me, do I look old?
Look at that. Even waterproof makeup doesn't stand a chance. No rinsing, no residue, just
I look old.
refreshed skin. Gentle.
Y'all sure I don't look old?
Perfect for the skin types.
Let me see, it's probably a man saying that. Cab 425. Nicole, I thought as women, you know, we were taught to not like hate on each other's appearances. Like, can we leave that to the disgusting things we call men? Okay, thanks guys. You made me feel better. I'm gonna curl them. It's the only reason I'm brushing them because I don't like how they're falling. And I don't know if it's gonna work with my outfit. I'm wearing this and then sneakers. This is fine. Should I do straight hair? Think the straight hair would be cuter? I'm wearing these sneakers.
My bitch a fashion killer, she be busy popping tags. She got a lot of products, that Dolce & Gabbana. I can't forget Estrada and that Balenciaga.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't think, this outfit isn't for curly hair. Let's warm up the straightener. You guys think I should do like a bun? It would be nice to have my hair out of my face because I'm shooting. Oh. Like if I did like a bun or like a claw clip moment. I kind of hate it. Okay, we're just gonna straighten my hair. Slick back. Should I slick it back? You guys are feeling the slick back. Okay, slick back in a bun. Have you ever done that? I haven't, but it's not difficult. My concern is just looking good. Do you guys think I should leave some hair in the front like that? I'll obviously like fix my hair. Are you guys feeling it? I don't know. Because I'm also gonna be on set. It's cute. Okay. I can't do a high ponytail, babes, because this is just so in, and it's not versatile, so you will see my tracks in the back. Guys, I don't know if I like this hair. You guys really hate the curly hair. Should I try my shoes on and we decide if we actually hate it? My legs are not shaved. Yeah, the curly hair really is a no. It just doesn't fit. It feels out of place. I'm honestly just gonna straighten my hair. Should we still straighten the hair? Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Fuck. I don't know. My problem, I feel like the slick back would be cute, nah? I just, like, this part of my bundles are, like, poking out. Like, can you see how it... I don't know if she didn't install nicely or what, but it, like, has a bump. So, like, when I slick it down, it's, like, bumpy. Thank ya. Okay. I decided on straight hair. Does everyone agree before I turn my straightener on? Try opening a line in the middle. Baby, this is a sew in. It's not a versatile sew in. There's nothing in the middle here. It's just layers of bundles. Understand? Like, sew in. It's only one part sided. I love you too. What's your name? You don't have a name. Just have a spider web. Okay. I'm gonna straighten my hair.
Get him first or something. You hear the deacon speaking. I'm Donnie McCurk in front. I smell the blues hurt your cousin. My people say stop, like I'm Kirk or something. Emotions flash advancing, someone turned the light out. I met my thing, express my passion on my passion night out.
Is that straight? It's definitely not.
Cause she a fashion killer and I'm a trendy nigga. I said her is the love. Her is the love. I said her is the love. Cause she a fashion killer and I'm a jiggy nigga. I said her is the love.
Happy birthday. It's not my birthday. It's actually my little sister's birthday. Her name is Debu. Spam happy birthday, Debu. I don't know if I should start with my... No, I'm gonna have to straighten some of this. Okay. Now I have to do a real thing. Let me get her hair clip. Fuck! Are you sure you're not famous? No, I'm not famous. Oh, you know what I actually think I should do? I actually think I'm gonna put my straightener in this thing. They'll be strong, hey? I don't want to burn the table. Okay. If like the curls were like not so harsh, I feel like that could be cute. You love my personality? Thanks. Nah, I hate it. Let's straighten. Probably start from the bottom now. What a banger. Wrist gang. She fucked up. Fuck. Say I fuck you better than that. She said, that's my pillow. Gonna do maybe one side at a time, yeah. My bitch Tuesday. Never ever fuck without a rubber. Aww, love you too, doll. Thank ya. Ow! I just stabbed myself in the neck with my nail. Do you guys do that to yourselves? This is why I don't get stiletto, because like I actually feel like I would have a fatal incident. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. You know what I was just thinking about, guys? Maybe we should pinch niggas when they are being disrespectful. You know, just something light. If you guys are gonna comment on how I'm straightening, please just leave, because you're gonna give me anxiety, okay? I'm like stressed out. I'm getting overstimulated. I got the phone money and some nigga shit. I got that $1 million and take a nigga rich. Why was my live restricted? The music. Yeah, I'm going bareface. I think if I do my makeup for anything, I'll do it for Total Ninja or dinner. I wonder if she'll want to do something, or if she'll want to go to like BGR, because she loves that place. You guys should try BGR if you haven't. There's one in Pretoria by, how do I describe it? You know when you're going to like Crawford, Pretoria, there by like Unisa vibes, Hatfield, Gautrain Station kind of area? Yeah, it's around there, like by Waterkloof, like by Brooklyn. Actually, if you go straight down that road on Brooklyn, there's a BGR next to the garage. I think it's a BP. But do you see what I mean with this hair? Like, it's not gonna be completely straight. $1 million pussy might pounce on that ass. Pounce on that ass. Might pounce on that ass. Pull up in there, you can't afford this. Only rap bitch on the Forbes list. It's not getting straight. It's pissing me off. Do I have the energy to do this to my whole head? I definitely don't. I'm actually not trying to straighten. I'm just trying to like loosen the curls. No, there's literally one in Pretoria. I also wasn't aware. Like, I would only get BGR in Joburg, thinking there wasn't one. I used 4 bundles actually. Was it 4? No, just 3. And then she really tried to squeeze in the like a bit of the 4th one, but yeah, we were unlucky. But yeah, these bundles are chilled. This morning when I went downstairs in my jumpsuit and I had my bikini on under because like I looked wanted to go to the pool after, and the shorty told me no, you can't wear that, it's inappropriate, it's against our rules. And then like she's like was showing me the rules and I went, I think she wanted me to be irritated. It's like BGR is a burger place. Like if you want like South African in and out, BGR is the spot. The girls group chat is spicy. Sorry, I'm reading the chats as they're coming in. Bikini was inappropriate, like, and I had my jumpsuit over. She was saying like you can't have half your bum out. I was like, I was actually going to the pool. Like, what must I do when I get to the pool? Like, why do I have to walk through reception to go to your pool? Maybe make the pool accessible from like the elevator or something, so people, how am I gonna get to the pool? Like I must wear a bottleneck and long pants to the pool, right? Sorry, oh guys, I'm reading the chats in the group chat and they are testing me. Guys, whoever said women aren't funny, they haven't met me and my friends. Like, those girls are so funny. No, I was just telling them about how when I went to the pool earlier, this lady was telling me that I'm dressed inappropriately and it's against the rules for me to be dressed like that. And I was literally going to the pool. I had my bikini on under and a jumpsuit. Like, but like I just let them have it because like I do understand that the jumpsuit isn't like the most appropriate thing. It's like a cover-up. Like I was wearing it as a cover-up. Like I was literally wearing it as a cover-up, headed to the pool, but like, oh. What song is this? Like, these YouTube ads. Gotta get real again, gotta get real again. Oh, you got it. Now I got bitch. I want new bundles. I want like long bundles. Ideally for December, but like I don't know if I want to drop 3K. I want you to turn off on you now and I recognize when I really want you. Guys, there's like a bunch of cops and like crime wardens, police at this hotel now. And tell me why they were like hitting on me when I went to the garage, like when I was leaving. Like, do your job. Like, dude, when they were saying, there was a hun that made a TikTok saying like the police need to make a baddies unit because I can get access to anything, guys. These men are so stupid. As soon as they see a pretty woman, they like lose all self-control. You're a police officer, babe. Talking to me, boom, my car blows up. What now? I was one holding the bomb. What now? Do you get me? Like, yeah, I have relaxed hair. Dude, police. And like they were there with like ladies, and like I don't even think the ladies were irritated at me, bro. I think they were irritated at these niggas. Like, dude, we're on a job, boy. We're doing a job. You're looking at pretty hands, like, oh, Busy asking if it can be a +1 to me and my sister's birthday thing. I'm like, in your uniform. Who, like... Men are so easy. Oh my god, guys. Can you please stop spamming me? I'll genuinely block you because you're gonna restrict my live. You're literally restricting my live. Stop. You see, now I got a violation, bro. Yo, dude. You're annoying. Okay, I think that's good enough here. Let's do the other side. Oh, you Sotho? Yeah, I'm Sotho in Tswana. My bad. It's okay. It's okay. Just say it once. You deserve a boyfriend who takes her serious. Check the state of the maintenance. That's an interesting comment, eh? No, let's unpack that comment, guys. Bare, she deserves a boyfriend that takes her serious. Check the state of that maintenance. Yo, hey, who's serious, man? You know, I really didn't think it was bad. I didn't think my maintenance was that bad. I got my nails done like 2 weeks ago. Got my hair done like maybe 3-4 weeks ago. Sorry, like, hey, Aski's like, yo, that's really deep. I'll talk to my boyfriend about that. Hectic. Ashley, are you a girl or a boy? Also, like, when my boyfriend pays for my maintenance, like, that's nice of him. I don't expect him to do that. Like, that's a nice thing of him to do. Like, he's not my dad. Like, I have a father, and then, like, I take care of myself, and then he takes care of me. Like, guys, like, come on, like, I really don't expect my boyfriend to act like my father. And if I ask him, he will, but, like, I don't need to. Maybe my standards are too high. I just expect more from the one and only Dimple, that's all. Babe, I can't have my shit done all the time. Like, I literally cannot have my stuff done all the time. Like, I'm literally a student. I focus on my education, creating content for you guys. Like, babes, like, I'm so sorry my nails are not freshly done every time you're joining my live. I'm in the process of doing my hair. I don't even need to get my hair done right now. Like, girl, Ashley, baby girl. And what does my boyfriend have to do with that? Like, if you actually had genuine intentions, what does my boyfriend have to do with that? Just talk to me and say, like, oh girl, I expect more of you. Where does my boyfriend enter in the conversation? Do you get me? Like,
Plus, with eSIM, you can connect in minutes. Refer a friend and you both get 5 gigabytes of mobile data. Visit airmobile.co.za to get connected. T's and C's apply.
Ashley, please leave. I'm in my third year, doll. I'm doing my honors next year. Dude, my chat is involving my man. Like, bro, is that his job? to pay for my maintenance. Like, I thought that was like nice. Like, I thought that was like princess treatment when he did that for me. I don't expect that of him all the time. Actually, yeah, babe. Like, let me add you to the live. Let's see your state of your maintenance, my babe. But I actually feel good. I feel confident. I don't think she's rage baiting me, guys. I think she's genuinely serious. I think she's dead ass. They are a little overgrown. Her account is private. Hey Ashley, I'll make sure I ask my boyfriend for money so I can go do my maintenance. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you had to see me like this. No, it's fine, guys. And I'm also going to shoot today. Like, guys, I literally cannot handle camera equipment with nails. Like, I'm honestly supposed to have no nails right now. Like, I'm supposed to have no nails. Do you have fits? I'm wearing my fit. I do film. I'm shooting bits and bobs for a documentary today. Is you ready, babe? Okay, let me do the small sections. This isn't working. Oh, you say you kill me, yeah, so long. Shit, I just my kiss. She just changed the sweater. And you know that I believe. How was high school? High school was okay. I struggled with my mental health. I think we all did. I think it was like me and my cousin were talking about this the other day. I feel like it was actually like kind of popular to be depressed like when we were in high school. And like I think everyone really is fucking depressed, but like it was hyped up then. Like it was okay to be depressed. Like it wasn't like now like we're like, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm growing up, like I'm exposed to different things, but now like everyone's on that like hustle culture, wake up early, like just things that like promote helping your depression, versus that time like it was okay to fucking rot in your bed and be depressed because everyone was like, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Ashley got the chat going crazy. Are you guys still mad at Ashley? Any cute guys you've been with in high school? No. Someone pick Ashley. What did Ashley say? Mind you, her boyfriend writes for her on the highest. That's so cute, guys. He is a cute guy. I'm so glad you guys can see it. I don't mind showing you guys. My man makes sure that his queen is loved and appreciated. I'm so glad you were picked, Ashley. Yo. I'm so glad you were picked. I am on a whole nother level. So like Ashley, do you expect your boyfriend to like entirely take care of you? I don't know, I don't expect that from my boyfriend, but like when he's my husband, obvi. But even then, I don't know, I was always just taught that a man is like a cherry on top and he's not supposed to be the cake, so I must have the cake myself. And that's exactly what my boyfriend is for me, so that if he leaves, my lifestyle won't change. Do you get? That's the logic, my babe. Ashley Karaki monitoring spirit. Yeah, guys, I think she likes this attention. Can we please minimize Ashley? People that had bad parents did things for them, don't speak too much from their boyfriends. Where are my glasses? Guys, I can't believe you guys can actually see my vision's bad. I'm not gonna be able to thing in my hair. Okay, we're almost there, done straightening the hair, but does it look better already, like with the outfit? Baby, drinking my cup. Is it better? Let me just come, I can't see. Body tea, thanks. Okay, so you guys like the straight hair more? Okay, thanks guys. Ricky's. Ricky. What are you studying? I'm studying film and television. I'm still gonna do my edges, babe. I just want to finish straightening quickly. Oh, what are you asking for the edge control?
Because you clean always deserve to win that sleep when bleeding. Feeling like number one. Oh.
Still a bride. But no rugby.
Still a bride. But what if there's no meat?
Still a bride. What if it's outside South Africa? It's not a bride if there's no willies.
It's not a bribe if there's no willies. Y'all lazy to cook. No, I know the business here, guys. So when we are like the older people, like how people like, I'm not cutting all that shit up, guys. I'm so sorry, and I don't think anyone deserved to. I don't think our aunties and uncles were supposed to be sitting there. Okay, our uncles were never there, sitting there cutting fucking ditapole for like 2 days. No, like, can we pay people to do this, please? Why are we giving out free labor? Why? It really bothered me whenever I'm sitting there. Okay, maybe it's a labor of love, hey? Maybe it really is just a labor of love. But one thing I know, and I'm in charge of those things, no one will be stressed about that. Like, you can just like mourn what's happening. We're at a funeral or we're celebrating, it's at a wedding. You don't need to be working. I hate that women are always working at like family things. It's so annoying. Like, stop, just sit down and have a beer, like have a glass of champagne, girl. Like, stop. And then you look to the other side, the niggas are sitting with their bellies. Cut. Actually, just cut. Oh, you celebrating Halloween? Yeah. I was about to tell you guys what me and my boyfriend are gonna be, but like maybe a surprise is fun. What are you doing? I wanted to okay, I have a shoot. I'm getting ready for my shoot because I'm supposed to meet everyone like just after 12. I just want to see what my sister needs, like if she needs me to drive her anyway before I leave for my shoot. But yeah, I'm looking at trying to have my YouTube channel by like December. As soon as I'm finished with the exams, I think I'll like focus on the content a bit more. But yeah, I'm hoping I can vlog my December holidays with my family. But like I was telling the people on my live earlier that like I feel like I would enjoy YouTube, but like you guys are gonna have to pick one because I'm not gonna vlog for TikTok and YouTube. Like I'm just gonna overwhelm myself. I feel like then I'll actually like stop living in the moment bad. Like, do you get me? Like, okay, I'm gonna do my edges and like lay my hair. I think this is unfortunately as good as it's gonna get. Y'all heard her December. I'll say gonna jump you. Join me. We never get the rest of Vlogmas. Yeah, bro. Last year I stopped filming Vlogmas because people were posting my location. So like, just for my safety, I don't know. I stopped. I don't know. Maybe I'll like, I don't know. Vlogmas just seems like Linkeni Binti. Vlogs for YouTube, lives for TikTok. That seems, you see, this is someone that actually thinks I'm a human being and thinks I can't do everything at once. I really appreciate that. Like, but my problem is I fucking love short form content, and I think that's why I honestly prefer TikTok. Like, I love short form content. Like, I don't even think I would watch me for 20 minutes. Do you get, like, and I think that's why I haven't like been crazy about YouTube. And that's also the thing, I'm already inconsistent on TikTok. Like, I told the people that were on my live earlier too that like school is really my priority. Like, I'm about to enter my last year, I'm doing my honors, and like that is my priority. I'm so sorry, like that is my main priority. So I will be inconsistent on social media until like there's some kind of motivation to do otherwise. Sorry guys, I'll read the comments now. Trust to wash my back even when I'm in the booth. Oh, trust to do my thing when I'm kinda clean like you. It's this ghetto ass gel.
Just tell me you can't be that crazy. Even if it is that crazy, baby, I'll take it.
I want you, I know you're not in it. I'm gonna put the thing on my door to say they can come and clean.
Don't waste your time, 'cause I'm wavy. I'm saying things that I don't mean, but I do mean, and I don't want you to miss me, 'cause there's no way that you're sorry, and you're crying, and you say things that I do believe.
What restaurant you were in? Kodi Monkeying. Kodi Monkeying. Does it flake? Nah, it doesn't flake. Babe, I'm trying to understand your comment. What's that restaurant you were in? Kodi Monkeying. Have mental problems? I do have mental problems. Now the gel doesn't flake. Not focusing on social media when you're studying a course with high unemployment is crazy to me. What do you mean high unemployment, babes? Like, who do you think broadcasts everything you watch? Like, this is the shit that kills me. Like, dude, film and television is everywhere. The news, YouTube, the TikTok you watch, like, baby, I don't think now the climate we're living in, I'll struggle to find a job, respectfully. Like, if people in my class are already in demand for work and they're students, like, I can imagine once we're actually qualified and have our honors in film and TV. I really don't think it's crazy. Romeo, you're crazy for that. Tell me why I just spent on the skincare you plugged us with, 2.5, babe. I hope it works well for you. It works amazing for me. It really works amazing for me. And unemployment is everywhere too. I feel like you just have to do something that makes you happy. Like, genuinely, like, I think you have to do something that makes you happy. I feel like I have that privilege though, to be able to just do something that makes me happy. And like, I think eventually it will make me money. And even like, if it doesn't, like, I'll still be happy. And like, yeah, I guess that's like, I'm speaking from privilege in that situation. But no, I don't exercise at all. I'm actually gonna lose my mind. I'm 20 and I'm still not in uni, not having a job. You good, doll? Take your time. Do what's best for you. Like, because also you don't want to like rush into a degree and then like not like it. Like, what I'm doing now is like what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. Do you get? So like, take your time and pick well. Like, I feel like the kids that had the luxury of being able to take gap years and like just figure out what they want, not having to rush. That's what white parents do to their kids, and look at them. They be good. They be good. I don't exercise though. Will the skincare work on seborrheic dermatitis? I don't know, my doll. I think you should like talk to a specialist, or maybe try find someone on TikTok that's also struggling from that can give you advice, but I'm not sure. Happy is a luxury at this point. Yeah, that too. She says she doesn't, but she sometimes does with her boyfriend. What do I do with my boyfriend? Yeah, I go to the gym with my boyfriend sometimes, but like, I don't really be doing a real thing. Like, he'll just like make me do what he's doing, and like, I will like avoid it because he texted me as we're talking about him. Oh my god, babe, what's the product? What product? Oh, what's the skincare, please? Okay. What year did you finish high school? 2022. This is the face wash I use. Kiehl's Calendula face wash. How do I flip the camera so you can take a screenshot? I don't know if I can. Kiehl's Calendula face wash. During the day, I do rose water and then castor oil on my face, and then sunscreen. I use the Clicks Collagen house brand, and then at night I use this Kiehl's Midnight Recovery concentrate. Really, really good. The rose water helps with like my dark skin, like dry skin. Like, it helps me moisturize my skin. I have like very dry skin. And then what else would I say it helps with? When I'm at the gym, I put like, what's this? I put rose water and coconut oil all over my body, and then I'll like spray it on like my dark blemishes, knees, elbows, armpits. I feel like it brightens. Yeah, I'm vlogging. I'm supposed to have a tingling slight burning sensation. Mine does not burn, babe. I don't think it's supposed to burn. So you bleach? If you consider rose water bleaching, yeah. If you consider rose water bleaching, I bleach. Oh my god, these bundles are so beautiful. Stop. Tomorrow will be she still hasn't responded to her boyfriend. Means he's not the type to send money randomly. Why y'all trying to rage bait me? Nights out. My boyfriend gave me money yesterday, so I'm not gonna bother him again. Guys, don't let them rage bait you. Guys, don't let them rage bait you. Okay, let me block him. Okay, guys, I don't want you guys to be bothered by this nigga. Romeo.
You need to get them drunk. Sobering up.
Guys, he's kind of making me laugh though. That's the problem.
Doesn't matter. Just get away. Go and miss it.
Fuck, I think I just invited someone by mistake.
They all share one thing. They don't want to wake up.
I hope no one joins.
Having to do 80
Castor oil, yeah, I use castor oil on my face, guys. It's really good.
Explaining to their wife why he was with you.
Like, I'm so mad on your behalf, babe. Don't waste your energy on these people.
How pretty
Like,
they
who gives a fuck? I don't.
How many children they got.
You invited me by mistake. Sorry, babe. At least it's someone normal. Nah, it's a girly pop. Even if she wanted to join, I wouldn't mind, to be honest. Do you have any advice for us?
Get fucking rich.
She said it for me. That's my piece of advice. Get fucking rich. Oh my god. Guys, no one deserves to be poor. No one fucking deserves to be poor. Please post the products on your story. No, babe, I want to do like what do you call it? Like a skincare video. Where did you get your sew-in done? I do my sew-in at this lady in Rosebank named Vanessa. She ate none. I always think like a sew-in is a very easy job, but I think it's actually not. Do you still spark up? I ignored the question the first time, doll.
Who's your family's
Share your glute exercises. Oh, guys.
Send them a heartfelt thank you with Catherine.
I think my boyfriend has written down actually asking, hey, baby. Hey, Madzal. Oopie. I check my location, babe. I don't want everyone to know where I'm at. It's for Tebu's birthday. Check my location, babe. I feel like this pot needs a bit more straightening, or do you guys think it's fine? The bundles definitely need love. I'll tell her now, babe. She's in her room next door. What did Romeo say now? Okay, guys, I'm actually gonna block him now. Sorry, let me not let him ruin the girls' vibes. What did he say now? When you curl your sew-in, do you also do that yourself? Yes, I do. No, I curl my sew-in myself. What did Romeo say now? Romeo, you big bitch, you ugly asshole. Get the fuck off my live, you dumb bitch. Okay, he's blocked, guys. You done? Alright, come me get my bag. Did you put the thing for them to clean? Do you want to entertain my life?
Yeah. You want new shorts?
No, I cut these other pair of shorts. Do you think I should? Yeah, I was sitting here. Do you think my hair's fine? Shit, they restricted my live. It's because I just cussed out this other guy. They're saying happy birthday. Hello. How's my done? I'm alive.
Thanks. I don't think it's gonna get burned. Man, is it a filter? Yeah, it's me. Oh my god, thank you guys. I love you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So funny, bro. What the hell?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god.
Actually screaming. It's so funny.
Oh, OTD. Okay, sure. Give you one. Hold on. So essentially, when they told me to pack my bags, all my clothes were dirty in the laundry. So we had to take what we could find just then. So essentially, we have, this is the fit. Then I got this shirt in Japan for my school trip, and then I got this hat also in Japan. I got all my keychains in Japan. I got my bag of Shein. I got the sunglasses from Jimmy Choo. Earrings, Shein. Sweatpants, Shein. Takis. I don't know. I have no idea where my takis are from. I just buy takis, that's the thing. Bag is from Shein, by the way.
Which bag should I take?
Which bag should you put like?
Should I do this one?
Yeah, maybe for a purple color. We're feeling very green today. Green hat or whatever.
Oh yeah, we are feeling green. Or should I wear that brown?
I don't know. But how do you flip the camera? There's actually a lot of people on here. I've never been on a live with like 100 people.
Dude, early on there was like 300 people.
That's crazy.
Should I do this one?
I got my mojito already. It's my birthday.
I'm no good.
I got my mojito. Yeah. I got thank you. Oh, the older sister.
I don't like this one.
They want the older sister.
You want me?
Yeah.
Oh, Delta.
Maybe. Maybe just I don't know. You already know. We got the mojito in the hand already. Mojito is already in hand. It's my birthday. We gotta get the party started. Mm-hmm. So I was told to entertain you guys. I'm doing my best. Yeah. Look,
You can sit if you want to.
Oh yeah.
While I finish. I was using this as a tripod. So, do you want to go do book for the spa?
Yeah. I'm gonna go put it for the spa. Lip combo, brown lip liner, red lipstick in the middle, lip gloss. Done. What the next? Oh, they mean Rita. They're asking for it. Rita's busy with school. I don't know what she's doing. She's busy like working or something. She's a full grown adult, that girl. I don't know. It's quite crazy.
Yeah, she's like, I think she's radio presenting this morning actually.
Yeah, she's at the radio.
She's doing radio or something.
She's doing serious things.
How are you with your parents? My parents are scared of her. Everyone's scared of her, except for me.
Who?
You.
Oh, me.
Everyone's scared of her.
What?
They just give her what they want.
Hold on. I don't think that's true, guys.
To an extent, of course, they still assholes. What caused it?
I don't know.
Fuck, we missed it, bro.
I don't know. I don't think people are scared of her. I'm scared of me. But
Okay, not everyone's... Okay, scared maybe isn't the right word, but everyone wants to please you.
maybe.
Do you agree? A little bit?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't know. Maybe your dad. Maybe.
Okay, but yeah, he wants to please everyone.
Maybe dad. But he only has a house full of girls, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
so it's just... He just has to try please everyone.
He has to really do his big thing. Understand?
Guys, you just saw the method to what?
Someone said maybe he's being the last one. Yes, I am the last born, by the way. I'm the last one. Imagine, my parents, they empty nested. I'm done.
She's done, guys. She's in grade 11. Like, my parents are literally about to be empty nesters. Maybe it's being the last one. She's the last one. Okay, yeah.
Right.
How old are you?
17! Oh my god, guys. Grade 11, not fun. Not cute. Not cute. When is your MD next year? Sorry, vibes. I'm only 17. Here's my plan for MD. 30-inch jet side part bust down.
Amen.
Custom made dress.
Amen.
Okay. I even started boxing classes, bruh. These people made me do 50 sit-ups the day I got there. 50 sit-ups. I'm getting that body tip. I'm ready for MD. I tell you now.
No other.
No other way. And I told my parents, like, I think March. I told them that's the plan. I told them that prepare yourself for next year. It's very expensive, by the way. Thanks. I don't care about the car. I have to have the best outfit. I don't care about the car.
Yeah, me and my sister are trying to do her entrance because she doesn't care for it. We want to do like a really insane convoy. So she has like a really big group of friends. So we're thinking like all of them do a convoy, but then we have like blue lights, like 2-3 cars in the front, 2-3 cars at the back, convoying, like making it really fucking crazy.
Exactly.
Like,
they must start saving now. I told
the
them.
rents, yeah.
I told them, like, I had a speech of preparation for them.
Yeah, she actually, it's on my vlog, the Easter vlog. She told them, like, listen,
this is a very serious combo.
It's a serious fixture, like, and this is the last one. So me and my sister are also living vicariously through her. Like, this is our last chance for MD. Like, we want to do it big. Like, it needs to be humongous.
Like, it has to be big because I'm the last one.
Last one. Like, it's your last chance to, like, prepare an MD for a child. So let's make it big.
Might as well be as big. How was your MD? How was your MD, Dumbo?
My MD was fine. I went with a girl. It was really nice.
Yeah.
I wanted to go with a girl intentionally because I felt like if I fell out with her, at least I wouldn't be annoyed that there's some man in my pictures. At least it's a pretty woman in my pictures, you know?
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Even though we're not friends anymore, like, I still have a bad bitch in my photos. You get me?
Someone said...
Do you have an earring bag?
Huh?
Do you have an earring bag? I can borrow.
Earring bag. Back.
Oh, no, I have. Don't worry, actually.
Oh, you're telling me to post on IG? Oh my god, I haven't posted on IG in like a year, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Like it, IG. I stopped. I have a spam, and that's where I post all my emotions and stuff. You know. I don't know. MD is just like IG is just so like. It like wants to kill you. IG. I don't know if I'm the only one who sees this, but like, I don't know. Someone's vlogging outside. I don't know what for. I'm sorry. I don't know what to. Oh, my bad. Nah, IG's too serious. I don't post on that thing.
Yeah, IG's so serious.
It's too serious. I don't post.
Have you seen that TikTok? It's like there's Trump, there's police next door, and
I'm telling you, it is.
IG.
Bro, you literally can't post unless you have a 6-pack, jet black,
a professional camera.
Unless you have the sunset in your picture and the camera quality is on T, your skin is clear, you have a 6-pack.
No one cares.
No one cares. No one cares. No one cares. No one cares about it. No one cares. So I post on my spam and I just post everything I want. And it's just such a fun place. Plans for today is to go to the spa. Total Ninja, I'm gonna book that. We're gonna go at like 5 p.m. or something. And then
do you want to do dinner? Or do you want to go to like VGR?
I'll just go to VGR. I'm not in the mood for like a fancy dinner. I don't want the mood to do makeup. Yes, this is just too fun. Yes, you'll post and then there's crickets. It's just yes, it's too serious. And you're there checking the timeline.
The whole time, nothing's happening. For refreshing the timeline, ain't shit happening.
Nothing's happening. No one's liking it. It's so serious. It's like Next Top Model.
Yeah.
That's how serious it is.
That's
Next
the vibe.
Top Model. Or like Miranda Priestley judging your outfit or something. So serious.
Like Anna Ventore's judging you every time you open the app.
Yo, but it's so serious. I don't know. I don't post on TikTok. That place is like home. I don't know.
Yeah, TikTok is like home, bro.
You can do anything you want. Anything.
I'm ready, though.
You ready?
Yeah.
I think this thing is still on.
It's still on?
Yeah. Yeah, still plugged in. It was hot when I touched it.
Okay.
You have 2 new messages.
You have to trend in a bad way to get likes on the literally.
Dude, you might have
you
to
and your
start
sister, shame.
Someone said maybe I'll go back to Insta in December. And I feel him. I get it.
When the nails are done, the hair's done, that's when they'll appreciate you, though.
Yeah, that's when they appreciate you. And why is maintenance so expensive, guys? Tell me why.
There was this guy in my life called Romeo that kept like yelling at me saying that you need to get your nails done immediately.
What?
I don't know. You were saying though? Sorry for interrupting you.
No, but what? I'm actually on this topic now. they want to do. He's saying you must do your nails.
Yes. What else did Romeo say? Yeah, he was talking mad trash, bro.
Do your nails? Oh my god. Is
He
he
was
gay?
like, to do my nails. He was like, you must do your maintenance. Then I was like, oh lol, my boyfriend just texted me. He was like, your boyfriend clearly isn't a big spender if you aren't responding to him quickly.
Okay, Romeo.
Okay, Romeo.
Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Let down your hair.
Yeah, like.
Let down your hair, Romeo. Look at you.
Do you think I should wear glasses?
Oh, they said it's Ashley. Who's Ashley?
There was also an Ashley. There was 2 people on my live. Can
Why
just
do you like
promote them?
names? Ashley?
No, I know you don't like when I drink from your straw. Can I drink from the cup?
Yep. I have a thing of people drinking from my straw. And my family likes to call me weird. I don't think it's weird. I don't want people to drink from my straw. Is that so, like, bad? I don't think so.
But I let down your hair. It's hilarious.
Oh my god.
I don't care.
Bad. I mean, yeah. Who's Cinder? Oh, what happened? Tell me what's going on. Someone saying try again next year. Yes. Someone understand me. They can't even drink from my glass. Yes, they can't. I'm sorry, it's gross. My mom even wants to use my earphones. I said no.
You don't let people use your earphones?
My people's earwax. No thanks. Sorry.
Bro, this has to be some kind of OCD.
OCD.
Okay, let me do my OTD, then we'll leave. Okay, guys, here's my OOTD. Black top. I think it's from Shein. I literally made these shorts myself. I like cut these skinny jeans, shoes, and a little green bag. That's me. Toodaloo. Are you guys sisters? Yeah. Bye, guys. Enjoy your day. Do you want to say bye?
Huh?
Do you want to say bye?
Bye. You guys' comments are so funny. I love them.
Maybe we can go live. We'll go live when I Turtle Ninja or something.
Yeah. Bye.